Welcome, Bethany House and Liza Farm. Dito kami ngayon sa Bethany House together with my friends. Andito na kami naglalakad papunta sa taas. Habang naglalakad ay tumitingin kami ng maraming trees and plants. Look at what's a beautiful plants and trees. Oh, this is the orchids. And now we just walk going to upstairs, pataas, basta, yun na yun. Ngayon ay nandito, hi guys, andito na kami sa taas. Tumitingin-tingin sa maraming plants and trees. Hi guys, ayan na, what a big tree. And then, also patingin-tingin din tayo sa iba pang, wow, what a clouds. What a swimming pool, beautiful. Oh, there. Ngayon, habang sila ay nag-order ng aming makakain for lunch. Hi, princess. Love you. Mwah.